Good morning. Good morning. It's 6:35. Welcome back to my channel. Guess where we're going today? Oh wait. Again. Yes, again. Guys, I tried to cut layers in my blonde wig. Yikes.
You look a mess.
Do you guys brush your teeth?
Next question. See ya.
Before your skincare or after your skincare? Okay. I feel like you're gonna agree with this. But I do half, brush my teeth, finishing half. But today I'm just gonna brush my teeth first.
You keep digging!
Okay, I'm gonna get changed into my outfit and then we're gonna make sure I have everything packed. Yeah. Happy New Year's Eve! Only God can do it. In my beach bag, on the outside I have my hat. I have this little wallet thing with my keys and my camera stuff in it. A beach tent, a white tee to change into, deodorant, body oil, speaker, protection dry oil, goggles. This fell out, so I can snorkel. Mind you, I barely even know how to swim. And then my phone. So I need to pack bra, undies, my lip liner, my water bottle, my lipstick. No boogie board today because there's no ways where we're going. So time check, 7:08. Faith is supposed to come get us around 7:30, so we're gonna call her and see if we're still on track.
Yeah, 7:15 I'm leaving.
Okay, say hi to the vlog. This is all our things. Trolley's wheels, chair, my stuff up behind the chair. Bean bag, book, and Anthony's bag. We have set up everything ready to go. So we're still at the beach and it's 12:44, but the sand today is corking hard. So we're done from the beach for today. Anthony and I are ready. We're just waiting for Faith to get changed. Look how red Anthony's eyes are. So we're on our way to Temple of Spices. And we're gonna have some Indian food, Faith is driving. We are 24 minutes away.
We're gonna get there 12 minutes before they open, which is 4 o'clock.
And my stomach is so full. Like it hurts. I can't even walk. This is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. You too. We're not putting that in there.